So here's an interesting question. It involves this and this. This is a fraction with an exponent that's a fraction. And here's a fraction with an exponent that's negative. What do we do in this case? There are two things we need to know. We need to know how to change from exponential form to radical form. And also we need to know how to deal with negative exponents. Okay, so how we deal with fraction exponents. Here's the rule. If you have x to the power of a over b, you could change that to the square root of x to the a, keeping in mind this b here is the radicand, so the b root of x to the a. And with the negative exponents, all you need to do is to make this exponent positive, flip this. So instead of 3/2, change that to 2/3, and that allows you to change that to positive 2. So let's try it out. So we want to change this fraction exponent to radical form. So we just throw a root on top of all of the 27/8. Keeping in mind that 3 is the b, so that becomes the radicand, so it's the cube root. And the 2 is the a, so all of this becomes squared, divided by, and as I said earlier, when you have a negative exponent, you flip this or reciprocate it. So 3/2 becomes 2/3, and that allows you to make the exponent positive. What do we do after this? I definitely don't recommend that you square the 27 and square the 8 and then cube root. Do it the other way around by cube rooting these two numbers and then squaring them later, because the numbers become a little bit smaller and it's easier to deal with. So when you're doing a cube root of a fraction, all you need to do is just cube root the top and cube root the bottom. So cube rooting 27 is the number that multiplied by itself gives you 27, that's 3. And the cube root of 8, it's 2. And that is squared divided by, here we could just apply the square to both of these. So 2 squared is 4 and 3 squared is 9, which equals, the square is gonna apply to the 3 and the 2. So we're gonna have 9/4 because 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4, divided by 4/9. Division, we change it to multiplication, so 9/4, switch, flip the 4/9, that's the rule. That becomes 9/4. And now you cannot reduce, you just multiply the tops together, you get 81, and you multiply the bottoms together, and you get 16. And that's the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. Keep on supporting. Over 500 videos now on my YouTube channel. You want to learn math, like and subscribe, and there's more to come, loading videos on a weekly basis, and I'm sure you'll find something that you'll learn from and you will enjoy. Thank you again. Till next time. Bye-bye.